Good morning, everybody. Well, isn't this a well-manicured lawn? And look at there, there's some nice ceiling fans. The blades have been removed. Well packaged for me to take them away. I tell you, that was very courteous of y'all. Thank you. So I don't know if you can tell, my right hand is swollen up compared to my left. I got attacked by some ants yesterday, and man, I had probably a half a dozen. When I felt the stinging, I had at least a half a dozen of them on my hand. They had their pincers grabbing hold of my skin, and they were stinging away with their tails. And it's funny because it doesn't hurt real bad right up front, but man, after a while the hand started itching, and I got swollen, and you can see I've got bumps from where they stung me. There's another one there, right there. So little buggers really got me. It was a miserable night. My hand was like it was on fire, itching all night long. Oh well, such is life. Feeling things, whether it's good or bad, helps you to understand you're alive. Alright, enough whining. Let's get on and see what kind of scrap we can find. Well, things were going a bit slow, but we've got a, what are you? Are you a dryer? You're a dryer, so that's cool. Somebody already took off the cord, okay. Am I going to be successful at getting you to tip up? Well, let's see. Use the lip there. There we go. We already got a penny out of it. Huh. That's a heavy one for a dryer. Little bed frame. Looks like somebody had to change out their air handling motor. Ooh. Yeah, be a nice motor inside there. Maybe some copper. Well, we've got another white goods kind of day going here. Oh man, you're heavy. Maytag. All right, Maytag. Let's see. What do I want to do here? I should probably keep one side open. So, position you up against this bulkhead like that, and then we can push you back with that. Oh, duh. Forgot about that, didn't I? Dummy. Sorry about the extra trip, folks. Come on, hands, work. There we go. All right. Get you lined up right. All right. I got to get in the habit of remembering to spin down those balancing feet because they hang up in the grooves on the bed and make it a little more difficult. If I spun them in, they wouldn't do that, would they? Okay. Very good. I know y'all were getting a little bit nervous because we hadn't seen any ubiquitous wire shelving yet. So you can relax. We have our wire shelving now. Why didn't I pick up all of it while I was right there? Because I'm a dummy. That's why. Some sort of think you're aluminum. Yeah, we'll rearrange that if we need to. We'll rearrange it right now. There we go. All right. Be a little yoke on you. And a yoke on you. Nope, don't want you to fall out. That'd be a bad thing, wouldn't it? Some extension cord. Don't fall out on me. Well, this chair has certainly seen better days. I've seen better. Oh, don't, shut up. Don't do that. Get a copyright strike. Why am I parking so far away? Because I want to park in the shade. And I don't want to block these folks' driveway. So, and it's always good to stretch your legs. All right, bed frame, come with me. Somebody was very nice and took this apart. The question is, can I get this in the truck? Oh, man. Sweet. Okay, well, we had a pretty good semi-scrap, if you will, back here at the ranch. Rather than wrestle with trying to get these out of the truck and get at everything, it was very easy to take off the instrument panels from both of them and get the insulated copper wire and the switches and things off of those. Yeah, there's still more insulated wire and the motors in there, but I'm just not going to mess with it. I'd have to wrestle them out of the truck, and I don't have time for that. I got a bunch of other stuff that I have to get on with. So it was sort of a compromise scrap. Plus I had some ceiling fans I had to work on, and they're not hard, but they take a little bit of time. So that stuff is all packed inside of this dryer. I had the box motor fan, and I got the motor out of that. Yeah, there we go, got the motor out of that. So that's ready to go. I got a little computer shell to throw in there. So we're gonna head on over to the yard and get this all taken care of. Exercise. Sorry, after I take all the computers apart, all the little brackets and stuff inside the dryer. Oh, it saves some space. Yeah. Then I gotta try to get it out of the truck after I do that. So is there any up on the monster, and you're up a little bit? You get any breeze up there?
You get a small breeze once you pass the building, behind the building.
Yeah.
And then
Well, you can wave to the crowd. Here, wait a minute. Let me get it down to you.
get a good
Say hi to everybody.
hey, dude, y'all have a good one, alright?
All right. Later on, Willy. All right, let's weigh out and get paid. Hey, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell with the all indicator so you don't miss a single episode. And if you're looking for more street scrapping videos, there's a big old link right there for you. Go ahead and click on that and enjoy yourself. All right, y'all, have a great day.